Really cool hero animation in Figma, right? Here I have 3 build shapes, each one with a portrait image. Let's go and transform it to a component and create 2 variants. Now let's go to the second variant and move the central shape to the bottom right side. All right. Now let's go and pick these 2 images and move them to the top left like that. All right, now let's go to prototype and connect the first variant with the second variant frame and pick after delay 1 millisecond, smart animate, bouncy, and 1 millisecond. Next, let's go and connect the second with the third one. After delay, 1 millisecond, smart animate, bouncy, and let's pick 1000 millisecond. All right, now let's go to my main frame, go to assets, and drag my components inside my hero. Select the frame and hit the play button to see the animation in action. All right.